Ranking from high quality, key to get higher. Now I want to discuss about post-test linear graphs and simultaneous linear equations. Let's see one by one. Number one, in the graph, draw each of the lines with the following equations. Yeah, y equal -3. If the equation like this, the line will be horizontal. Be careful, yeah, horizontal, and then intercept on the y-axis. Yeah, here 0, 0.3 here, and then it is horizontal. Yeah, this is the answer. And then B, x equal -3 out of 6. It is vertical, yeah, vertical line like this. Yeah, intercept on the x-axis. Yeah, -3 out of 6.0. Okay, let's see here. Be careful. Next, question number 2. Solve the following pair of the simultaneous equations. Use graphical method, substitution or elimination. Okay, I choose the first one, 2a, with a graphical method. Let's see. Yeah, for the graphical method, we input the x by 0. Okay, 0 like this. So we get 2 multiplied by 0 plus 2y equal 2. And then 2y equal 2. And then y equal 1. Next, yeah, we input y by 0. 0 is the easiest number to find. Okay, to input. So we input y by 0 also. And then we get 2x equal 2, x equal 1. So we get 2 points here. And then the third point, yeah, we input the small number, yeah, 2, x equal 2. Here we substitute the x by 2. And then we get here y equal -1. So we get 3 points, yeah, 0.1 from here, 0.1. And then 1.0 from here, 1.0, 1.0. And then 2.1 from here, 2.1. Okay, in the table like this. Next, the second equations, 2x minus 4y equal 14. Yeah, here we input x equal 0, the same. Okay, we get -4y equal 14. Next, we continue again. Here, y equal 14 divided by -4 equal -7 out of 2. Next, we input y by 0. Okay, we get 2x equal 14 and then x equal 7. Next, remember we should get 3 points. Here we get 2 and then this is the third point. Yeah, we input y by 1. So we get 2x equal 18. Next, x equal 9. Yeah, here are the point. Yeah, the point here 0 -7 out of 2 and then 7 out of 7.0 and then 9.1. Yeah, 3 points. Okay, next we continue. After we get 3 points for each line, yeah, we can draw the lines. Yeah, we draw the lines on the graph like this. Yeah, put the points one by one. Here 0.1, it is A. Yeah, B 1.0, this is B, this is the point here. C 2.1 here, 2.1. Okay, this is the line. Okay, the first line 2x plus 2y equal to here. And then this is the line for the second line. 2x minus 4y equal 14 here from 3 points D, E, F. Here, yeah, D, E, F. We get from the table here. Okay. And then we get the solution here. The solution is the intersection of the two lines. Okay. Remember, the line should be linear. Okay. Should be straight line. And then here is the solution. 3 point negative 2 here. You get 2a. Now 2b. Yeah. 2b. Okay. Here 2x plus 3y equal 19. And then here the second equation like this. Yeah. Let's see how to solve it. Here I write the first equation and then I make the x to be the subject. Yeah, like this. We move the y to the right. Next, here, yeah, we input this into the second equation. Yeah, here we get here. Okay, like this. After this, yeah, we get negative y equal negative 3. So y equal 3. Yeah. And then x equal 11 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Here. We get from here. Yeah. We substitute the y by 3. Next. X equal 5. So the solution is 5.3. Yeah. C. Yeah. After we use graphical method and then substitution method, now we use elimination. Okay, elimination like this. Yeah, the first equation I multiplied by 12. We get like this, and then the second one I multiplied by 6. Yeah, as you can see, the coefficient of x is equal now. So we can minus. Yeah, minus, eliminate it. So negative 33y equal 25. So y equal negative 25 out of 33. After that, we should eliminate the y, yeah, to get the value of x. The first I multiplied by 1, and then the second I multiplied by 6, like this, yeah. The coefficient of y is equal. Now I minus, yeah, minus like this. The y is eliminated. Now the x will be 7 out of 66 negative, yeah. Number 3, yeah, the word problem like this. We can use, yeah, elimination or substitution. Here I use P for pens and S for search. Yeah, 2P plus 2S equal 300,000 for the first sentence, and then 3P plus 2S equal 350,000 for the second. Yeah, minus. Yeah, because the coefficient of S is equal. Minus, we get negative P equal negative 50,000. P equal 50,000. And then we input to the first equation. Yeah, we change the P here, 50,000. So we get 2S equal 2,100. Yeah, 200,000 I mean. We get from this, we move to the right side. Yeah, negative. Next, so S equal 100,000. Yeah. The question is, if Chelsea wants to buy 2 pants and 3 clothes, so 2P plus 3S like this, yeah, we get 400,000. And then the last number, Aldi and Aldo. As you can see like this, yeah. I use X for Aldi, Y for Aldo, and then X plus Y equal 40 from the first sentence here, and then here we get X equal 3Y from the second sentence here. Aldi's age 3 times of Aldo's. Okay. We input this to the first equations here. 3y plus y equal 40. So y equal 10. Yeah. X equal 30. Yeah. So this year Aldi 30 years old and Aldo 10 years old. And then 6 years ago we minus by 6. Yeah. 30 minus 6 equal 24. 10 minus 6 equal 4. So okay.